In this video you will see how to join early access airdrop. So these projects might be so strong, so I will recommend you to join. So where you will get this link, so I will put this link on my comment box where you will get immediately that. Just tap on there and go your browser or copy that and paste on your any browser, and that link will bring you in this interface. So you see right now, step by step, a box fill from. So first of all, how to contact you. So they want with your Gmail, so put your Gmail, and where is your city. Using example city, whatever, like where you are in, put that here, and immediately what country you are in, put that here. So I'm putting just example to see you because I have done that. And your S, put there. Your add EVM address, allow list spot, where you will get EVM address. Your trust wallet, go to your MetaMask and copy your EVM address where you will see that. Just wait few minutes here to get your address where they will give you some token that you can sell later to instead of USDT, and you will get some money from there. So the process is like that. So here is your address EVM. So I copy that, come back here, paste your EVM address here. In this video you want to know how much dollar equal your token would be, and click on I'm not robot and submit. When you submit that, that will bring another page in front of you on your screen. Welcome to Mad World Survivor. Tune in your the latest in title on Twitter. Done. This is a simple thing. I am hoping you will do that, and see you later in the next video.